February 10th. You're probably surprised to see the red Ram K in the garage. So am I. It's been sitting out in the unheated garages for, what, 2 years? It's 18 degrees today. It's been really cold. Primed the carbs. She started right up and the ground is still frozen, so I was able to drive it over to the garage here. I have a new interior ready at Legendary. This is vinyl. The new one is leather. So this interior has to come out and the seat's over to the Legendary for install. You can see the front seats in sad shape, but this is a Florida car, and you know the interiors take a beating. Interesting that this car has driver and passenger headrests and power driver and passenger seats. Let's get to work and get this interior out. Front seat, 9/16, and these front ones are Phillips. There. And yes, you can put the switches on backwards, upside down, so that up is down, down is up, and it's an easy switch. Now, driver's side. Here is the rear seat bottom removed, and you can see we got a build sheet in there. Don't know that it's for this car yet. Did I show you the driver's seat? Well, it looks just like the passenger power seat. By the way, these screws are these bolts. Alright, these nuts that are 9/16. If you have one of those ratcheting box wrenches, they can slip in here and they make your job real quick. There. That's a ratchet end and that's a regular wrench end. Anyway, that's what I use. Zip, 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 done. Rear seat removal will require removal of the armrests. And there's 4 holes where the screws go in. That's got a screw, that's got a screw. You're gonna need to remember that for reassembly.